Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Alli, and I wanted to share with you a fun nature activity that we're doing at home this week because I'm home with my kiddos. So Aubrey is holding the camera and she's gonna help. We went on a walk and we collected some wildflowers and some flowers from our backyard, and we are gonna make a imprint of them on a paper towel. You could also use a napkin or anything that you have at home, some fabric. So we're gonna do some spring flowers. So we covered a cutting board with plastic so it doesn't get dirty. You put your flower down here and a paper towel on the top and kind of flatten it. And then you're gonna take a flat rock or a hammer or any kind of a tool that you have at home that's flat, and you're gonna get to make an imprint of it. So you're gonna start by tapping, and then tap harder, 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 and you'll start to see the imprint and the spring colors of your flower go through on there. And then you could pick, you can see there, you can pick another flower. I found a dandelion, and you could put that one down on another spot and kind of flatten it, and then you'll start with the hammer again. Oh, look at that yellow. Wow. And you'll see the stem is green and the flower part is yellow. Can you see? All right, let's pick another one. Let's see what else we have. Oh, this is a neat one. It smells really good. That's from the other side. All right, let's put this one down, flatten it, and start smashing. Oh. Wow. There's that. I think I want to add some pink. Let me see, or purple.
To your imprint.
Yeah, let's add some. Let's see if we can get this purple to smash on there.
Okay.
Oh, there's some purple. Okay, let's do another color. Let's see. Maybe one of these pink. I might start a new paper towel, actually.
Okay, because that one's already pretty for art.
All right, I'm going to keep working. Have fun doing this at home with your family. Bye.